Today's strategy is going to be super simple and also entertaining, and you're going to see why. Just follow me through every second of this video in order to not miss any instructions and start making money right away. It works worldwide, so you can apply from anywhere in the world, and I will also show you how you can get everything done for you, so just stay tuned for that. But before starting this tutorial, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel with notifications on, so you get notified whenever I post a new video on how to make money online. With that being said, let's start right away with the first step of this tutorial, which is to go over to Instagram.com or just install it on your smartphone device and sign up for absolutely free. Once you created your account, just search for different dog pages. So you can search, for example, for cute dogs, for puppies, dog lovers, anything that comes in your mind related to dogs. And then you can open up to 10 different pages that are posting related to dogs and puppies, so you can actually get rewarded $18 again and again from a website which I'm about to show you, so you can get paid in complete autopilot. So for the step number 1 and 2, you just need to sign up to Instagram and open some dog related accounts. For step number 3, you'll need to head over to this website called Yazing, and this is over at yazing.com. Here you can get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. This is a platform that pays you cashback rewards on everything you buy online and provides the current deals and coupon codes for the top brands and stores. But this is not how you'll be making money today. You don't need to spend any money for this, so you can start for absolutely free. And you'll get paid to promote, because they also pay you cash rewards when you promote any brand deal and coupon page with others, and your influence generate sales. And you'll get paid fast. Yazing sends your money directly to your PayPal account as soon as we are paid by the brands and stores. No minimums and no fuss. So you don't have to wait to get paid. You can start making money today. And a few of the top brands that they work with are Walmart, giftcards.com, hotels.com, Dell, Barbox, eBags, Blue Apron, and so on and so forth. So let me explain to you exactly how to make money with Yazing on autopilot. But first of all, you need to create an account for absolutely free by clicking here on the Join Now button. And all you need to do is to fill out these following fields right here: your username, an email address, password, confirm the password, and then click on register now, or you can join with Facebook with a click of a button, which is a lot easier and a lot faster. Once you sign up for absolutely free, you'll get access to a lot of different offers which you can promote and earn money. For example, if you promote this offer right here from BlockFi, you'll get paid up to $500 cash reward. So all you have to do is to grab a referral link for some of these offers, and whenever someone takes action and sign up through your referral link, you'll get paid. And the reason we are using Yazing is that once you click on promote to earn, you'll instantly get your referral link to promote. So you'll not have to wait to get approved or to fill out any complicated long form. Just click on promote to earn and then copy your affiliate link right here, and you can make money. And if you go over to the categories right here, you'll see that you can promote different offers related to different niches. But there is one specific offer that we're going to promote today that really works with today's strategy. So you need to select the animals and pet supplies category, and then browse all of these different offers and select the ones that pay you the most. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to promote the Bark Box offer. This is going to pay you $18 cash reward per each referral, and I'm going to show you how you can get those referrals on autopilot so you can make money again and again. So just click here on promote to earn, so you can grab the affiliate link by copying it right here, and whenever someone signs up to BarkBoss to your referral link, you'll make $18 per each person. And since BarkBoss is a paid offer that people subscribe to so they can get a box with toys for their dogs, now we need to find dog owners so they can benefit from this, and they will have a reason to click on our link and sign up so we can make money. And I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to your link so you can get those signs up on autopilot. But first of all, you need to head over this platform called pexels.com. Here you can find a lot of different stocks, videos and images which you can use free of charge because they have no copyright on them. So just go over to the search bar right here and search for dog or puppies, and then it is going to give you thousands of copyright free images. So let's say, for example, you like the first one right here, just click on it, then click here on free download, and it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer. And then you can do the same thing again and again. Just click in one of these photos, click on free download, and you have it on your computer. Download as many dog photos as you can, and I guess it should be a really fun process even for you because these dogs are really cute. Now just go back to Instagram and create a page all around dogs. So you start posting those photos that you got from pexels.com because they are copyright free. So create a username all around dogs. The name also should be all around dogs. Create a nice looking bio, and in your bio put the referral link that takes people to barkbox.com. And the reason you open those pages at the beginning of the video is because you want to open them up, go to their followers, and then start following people that are following those pages. So you'll attract targeted people to your page that will be willing to follow you too. But if you don't want to build those pages yourself or to post photos on your page, you can go over to shoutcard.com. This is a platform that you can buy shoutouts from big influencers. So just register for free just like I did, and once you logged in your account, click here on browse influencers so you can find different pages that can promote you. Here on the left hand side, I want you to unselect them all, and then you have to select only Instagram and Instagram Beyond link. Also do the same thing here on categories, unselect them all, and you need to find only animals to select right here and dogs. And now that you find those dogs pages, you can see that the shout outs are like $10 to $15. For only $10 you can be advertised on a page that has more than 500,000 of followers. So you can be advertised to more than 500,000 of followers that love dogs for only $10. And with 10 signs up you can make $180. 100 signs up, that's $1,800, and so on and so forth. And this is pure passive income for you because you don't have to do any of the work yourself. And once you start making more and more money, I recommend you reinvest back into those shoutouts so you can get advertised in bigger pages. And you can even promote offers from Yazing, different offers from Yazing that pay you even more. And this is only if you don't want to build a page yourself and you're willing to invest like $10 or $15. But if you don't want to invest any money at all, then just build the page yourself and you can always promote on it for free. I really hope you liked today's strategy, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.